How to fix can't add a debit card to Apple Pay. So if you're unable to add a specific card to Apple Pay or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do if you can't add a card to Apple Pay is you need to go and load up the settings on your phone. Now from the settings page, we need to scroll down to General and click on this. And then scroll down again and click on Language and Region. You can then click on Region from the list of options and make sure you have the correct region selected. So there are some countries that don't support Apple Pay. So if you've accidentally set the wrong country or region, this will be the first reason why Apple Pay is not working. So I've just got mine set to the UK like this, and then we can go and close out of this window. Now the next thing you'll need to do is come back over to the main settings page, and then you can scroll down to Screen Time and click on this. Scroll down to the very bottom and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions are toggled to off like so. You can then come back over to the previous window, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see Wallet and Apple Pay. Go and click on this. Now if you scroll down to Payment Cards, you'll see the option here to add a card. So go and click on this. And now we have some different options. So I'm going to select debit or credit card, click on continue, and then I'm going to select enter card details manually. You can then go and enter the long card number displayed on your physical debit card, and you can just go through the steps by entering all of the required information. Now once you've done this, your card should now be added to the Apple Wallet. So if I go and use my search box and I type in wallet, you should now be able to find your debit card from the list.